Tips on how to clean your tile floor effectively. Dear friends, tile floors are durable and stylish, but they need proper care to maintain their shine and longevity. Regular cleaning not only keeps them looking fresh but also protects the grout and prevents dirt from building up. Here are some valuable tips on how to clean your tile floor and keep it looking fresh and shiny. 1. Regular sweeping or vacuuming. Sweep or vacuum daily to remove dirt, dust, and debris that can scratch the tile surface over time. Pay extra attention to corners and edges, where dirt tends to collect easily. 2. Use warm water for mopping. Mop the floor with warm water at least once or twice a week. Warm water helps loosen dirt without leaving residue. 3. Mild cleaning solution. Use a pH-neutral cleaner or a mild dish soap mixed with water. Avoid harsh cleaners with bleach or ammonia, as they may discolor or damage the grout and tile finish. 4. Focus on grout lines. Grout often collects stains and dirt. Use a soft brush or an old toothbrush with a baking soda and water paste to scrub grout lines. For tough stains, a vinegar water mix, in equal parts, works well, but avoid using vinegar on natural stone tiles. 5. Wipe spills immediately. Clean spills right away to prevent staining or sticky residue. Especially important for kitchen tiles exposed to food, oil, or sauces. 6. Avoid too much water. Excess water can seep into grout and cause mold or weakening. Always wring the mop well and avoid soaking the floor. 7. Dry the floor after mopping. Use a dry microfiber cloth or towel to prevent water spots and streaks. This also reduces slip hazards. 8. Deep cleaning once a month. Use a stronger tile-safe cleaner or a steam mop for deep cleaning. This removes buildup of grease, soap scum, and hidden dirt. With regular care and gentle cleaning, your tile floors will stay bright, shiny, and long-lasting. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.